Now we see the achievements of this universal immunization program. The biggest achievement of immunization program is the eradication of smallpox. One more significant milestone is that India is free of poliomyelitis caused by wild poliovirus. Vaccination has contributed significantly to the decline in the cases and deaths due to vaccine preventable diseases. So these were the achievements. So national immunization schedule for infants, children and pregnant women. For pregnant women, TT1 early in pregnancy, 0.5 ml intramuscular upper arm. TT2 4 weeks after TT1, 0.5 ml intramuscular upper arm. TT booster dose if received 2 TT doses in pregnancy within the last 3 years, 0.5 ml intramuscular upper arm. Now for infants, BCG vaccine at birth as early as possible till 1 year of age, 0.1 ml, 0.05 ml until 1 month, intradermal left upper arm. Hepatitis B birth dose at birth or as early as possible within 24 hours, 0.5 ml intramuscular anterolateral side of mid-thigh. OPV 0 dose at birth or early as possible within the first 15 days, 2 drops oral. OPV 1, 2 and 3 at 6 weeks, 10 weeks and 14 weeks. OPV can be given till 5 years of age, 2 drops orally. Pentavalent 1, 2 and 3 at 6 weeks, 10 weeks and 14 weeks can be given till 1 year of age, 0.5 ml intramuscular anterolateral side of mid-thigh. Rotavirus at 6 weeks, 10 weeks and 14 weeks can be given till 1 year of age, 5 drops. Rotavirus orally. IPV vaccine 2 fractional doses at 6 and 14 weeks of age, 0.1 ml intradermal, 2 fractional dose intradermal right upper arm. Measles and MR1 doses 9 completed months, 12 months can be given till 5 years of age, 0.5 ml subcutaneously right upper arm. Japanese encephalitis vaccine 9 completed months to 12 months, 0.5 ml subcutaneous left upper arm. Vitamin A first doses for 9 completed months with measles and rubella 1 ml orally, 1 lakh international units. For children, DPT booster dose 1 16 to 24 months, 0.5 ml intramuscular anterolateral side of mid-thigh. Measles MR2 the second dose 16 to 24 months, 0.5 ml subcutaneous right upper arm. OPV booster dose 16 to 24 months, 2 drops orally. Japanese encephalitis 16 to 24 months, 0.5 ml subcutaneously left upper arm. Vitamin A second to 9th dose 16 to 24 months, then 1 dose every 6 months up to the age of 5 years, 2 ml 2 lakhs international units orally. DPT booster dose 2 5 to 6 years, 0.5 ml intramuscular upper arm. TT 10 years and 16 years, 0.5 ml intramuscular upper arm. Give TT or booster doses before 36 weeks of pregnancy. However, give these even if more than 36 weeks have passed. Give TT to a woman in labor if she is not previously received TT. Japanese encephalitis vaccine is introduced in selected endemic districts after the campaign. The second to 9th doses of vitamin A can be administered to children 1 to 5 years old during biannual rounds in collaboration with the ICE Integrated Child Development Program Scheme. Phased introduction at present in Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Orissa from 2016 and expanded in Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Rajasthan and Tripura in February 2017 and planned in Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh in 2017. Phased introduction at present in 5 states namely Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Goa, Lakshadweep, Pondicherry as on February 2017. Thank you.